Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're putting together one of my favorite lobster dishes of all time. We're making a caviar and lobster toast on the Arctic flame. The first thing that we need to do is put together the mixture that we're going to put the lobster in. So here's how we put together that. Peel and finely dice 1 red onion. Then you want to put this in a bowl. You also want to finely chop 2 to 3 tablespoons of dill. Then we're going to add half a cup of really good mayo, and we're also going to add half a cup of creme fraiche. We also want to add a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then you want to stir this thoroughly. Next, we're going to season with a little bit of salt to taste, and then we can set aside the mixture. Now when the mixture for the lobster is ready, it's time to start poaching the lobster, and here's how we do that. We want to slowly melt a couple of cups of clarified butter. We're going to remove the pan from the upper grill grate to the plancha, and we will want to keep it at a temperature where it just slowly simmers. While we're waiting for the butter to melt, we want to half 4 lobster tails and remove the meat. Then we're going to add the lobster tails and poach these in the clarified butter for 8 to 10 minutes. Then we want to remove them from a pan, place them on a couple of paper towels to cool off. We have a couple of more things to do. We need to grill up some bread and slice some lemons, so let's get to it. We want to thinly slice 1 lemon, then you want to cut the lemon slices in half and set aside. We also want to stamp out some circles from thickly sliced white or brioche bread. Then we're going to pour the clarified butter on the plancha, and then we're going to grill the bread until we have a nice brown crust. We want to flip them over and do the same thing on the other side. All the ingredients for this beautiful dish are now ready, so it's time to put the dish together. When the lobster tails have cooled off, we're going to chop them and then mix them thoroughly with the creme fraiche mayo mixture. We want to place the bread on our serving tray, and then we want to add a healthy dollop of our lobster mixture on top. The next thing that we want to add is that we have some beautiful caviar from Sterling. So we're going to open the tin and add a healthy dollop of this to the dish as well. Last but not least, we're going to place the lemon slices on the toast, and then these beautiful caviar and lobster toasts are ready to serve. And that is how I make my caviar and lobster toast on the Arctic flame. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this beauty and see what it tastes like. Look at that. That looks amazing. That's Sterling Caviar. It's going to be so good. So let's squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top, and heaven awaits. That is silly good. Happy living.